Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on LumberCapitalLY. Tsuga canadensis, also known as Eastern Hemlock, good for porch decking, chicken coops, garden beds, and under a porch for a post and beams project. What you might say? Well, you see, this little tree that's, well, it's not little indeed, can grow up to 70 feet tall and is found all over the eastern coast here, especially more northern. Well, this tree happens to be the building blocks of a lot of towns all around this area. Some of the parts that were first settled by pioneers of the good old Mayflower, you know? But they looked at this tree and they were like, wow, look at how straight and tall it gets. Look at how big around. And then we see hundreds of years later how this particular species of wood happens to have a particular ability to stand the test of time quite well. So today we're going to be milling some on our LT70. Let's get into it. So today we actually have a custom order for 60 3/4 by 10 by 12s. This should be no big deal, easy peasy, except for cutting a little thin means we might have a little bit more breakage. It's usually the case. So actually what this is going to be for is a post and beams project that the guy has had going on for quite some time and it's just now finishing up. So this will be his last touch. So we're going to get it cut for him so he can swing by this actually today. It doesn't always work out that great, but I just got word of the order and we're gonna get it done and have him pick it up same day. That's pretty good. It doesn't always work out like that, but Jade's gonna grab the logs, bring them over, and we'll get started. one log down and many to go, but one thing is for sure, and that is that Eastern Hemlock can be used for a diverse range of projects, and I am always fascinated to find out what everyone is using our hemlock for, because as many of you know, we specialize in hemlock. We might do ties, we might do all kinds of hardwood, we might do firewood, well, that's the other half of the business, but we really specialize in hemlock, and our customers just love it. They use it for everything, because guess what? It's a little cheaper than doing it in hardwood, that's for sure. So anyways, I think that wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up as always, and leave a comment about what you know about hemlock. Not the kind that Socrates was murdered with, or executed more like, but indeed the tree which grows all over the forest here in PA and used to be a lot bigger before we started cutting so many of them down. Anyhow, I told you this video is over and I was serious. Make sure to drop a like, as I've already said. Don't forget to subscribe. We are almost to 200,000. That's crazy to say, 200,000 subscribers, but we are like very close. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. No reason why not to. Other than that, we'll see you back here next time. Bye.